Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is Tuesday, June 4th. 1 week until school gets out. I'm so excited, it's crazy. I'm currently in my car, about to walk into my classroom. Yesterday I did have a sub because we had a site collaboration day, so I'm about to go walk into my classroom and see what mess is left from the substitute. To be fair, if you watched my last vlog, I was here on the weekend packing up my room and it was already a disaster. So I'm not expecting a lot, but let's go see what we find. All right, if you watched my pack up vlog, it really doesn't look that much different, so that's good. Okay, let's see if anyone's names were left. No one's names were left because there was no note left. Huge pet peeve as a teacher, but that's okay. It's kind of like it's the end of the year, whatever. I did tell the kids that if they weren't able to handle a substitute, maybe they wouldn't be able to handle our field trip. That's tomorrow. So tomorrow is our end of the year field trip. We're going roller skating and I'm super excited. Okay, really quickly though, let's talk about this. How cute is this? It says, adventures await with little pine trees. We love a good graphic tee. I got this from Breezily, so I'll go ahead and link all that information down below if you're interested. They have some really cute stuff, so anyway, just a side note. All right, let's talk about our day really quickly. I'll give you a quick classroom update and then we'll move on. So for today, we are doing our morning meeting. We're doing a fun activity during our morning meeting, which I'm so excited about because I get to use this fun little toy, which I'll show you in a second. And then after morning meeting, we're going to do some writing. We're going to be writing to next year's third graders. So today we're definitely gonna do the brainstorming and probably even the writing because our morning block's so long. And then if we get through the writing, we're gonna do a cursive page, then they go to recess. After recess, we're finishing up hopefully our third grade books, and I'll show you those and the kind of where we're at with those and then how we're going to assemble them. Then we go to PE and then we go to lunch. So for today, during lunch, you know how I did that raffle for state testing? 3 of my kiddos chose lunch out with me, so I'm going to be taking 3 kiddos to lunch. They haven't told me where, so we'll see. But that'll be really fun. And then when they come back from lunch, they're going to be doing silent reading. And then if you watched my end of the year activity video, we're going to be playing Jenga. And I did this after Christmas break. So these are the little Jenga things from Dollar Tree. And I just created a worksheet on PowerPoint with just like the colors corresponding to certain questions. I don't have it in my TPT store, but maybe I can just like, if you wanna email me and I'll send it to you type deal. So then after that, I'm gonna give them some time for the computers. We're gonna clean, pack up, and then we go home. So not a lot of content left on this last week of school. Like I said, we are going on a field trip tomorrow, and that's kind of where we're at. Let me quickly show you the classroom, and then I wanna chat about our morning meeting activity. So we have our end of the year party. Some people already brought stuff. This is just stuff that I left here from trying to clean over the weekend. I haven't packed up any of this. Once we finish the third grade books, I will start packing up supplies. All of my cabinets are now empty. So all this is gone. This is my last big area that I'm gonna tackle this week. And then that's pretty much it. All that little stuff is just gonna get thrown in my car. Okay, so if you watched my like live morning meeting video from months ago, you know, sorry if I'm making you nauseous, you know that we do our greeting, we do our sharing, and then we always do some kind of an activity. Okay, well I got kind of the most amazing thing ever because I saw Jess from Hello Third Grade. She got this and she was using it with her kids. So let me show you. So it looks like this. And it's called a QBall. And I think Jess saw it on like Shark Tank or something, I don't know, but I'm obsessed with it. It's a throwable microphone. Check it out. Hello, hello, hello. I just am freaking out about it. It's connected to my speakers. And so I think what we're gonna do for our morning meeting activity is we're gonna all say what we're doing over spring break, and then they're just gonna throw it across the circle to somebody else. I'm definitely gonna film it for you because I think the kids are gonna freak out. Because I know I did, but I'm super excited about this thing. I'll link it down below if this is something that you want to add to your classroom next year. Highly, highly recommend. I'm sad that I just got at the end of the year because I can think of like 100 things that I'm gonna do with it next year and I can't wait. So stoked about this. Okay, I do have to go run and make some copies and just get some stuff in order for this morning. So I will pick you guys back up probably during morning meeting to show you that, and then I'll chat with you throughout the day.
I'm excited to think about summer break is just sleep in my bed all day. I'm most excited for a summer break is to sleep in. The most exciting thing about summer vacation is I get up there till 3 a.m. I thought you already. The most exciting thing for summer break is swimming, and sleep in.
Alrighty, so the kids are at recess. So after morning meeting, we brainstormed all of these things to go in our 3rd grade letter. And it was really fun because I used the QBall again. I just pulled a stick and then I had the kids pass the ball around to add something to the chart, and it was awesome. It was so much fun. So the letters are super cute. They're coming out really, really well. Kids are writing like 2 pages, full pages for my kiddos for next year. So it's been really fun. So when they come back, they're gonna finish up their letters and or work on their memory books, and then we have PE and lunch. So my kids are now deciding where I'm gonna take them, so I'll bring my camera with me and we'll see. How was it?
What?
Your Taco Bell.
Good.
And just like that, it's the end of the day. Can you tell? Oh, not cute. Okay, so the bell rang 2 minutes ago. I have to go home because I have a ton of grad school work to do. And this coming up weekend is jam-packed. I have a bridal shower, I have like a birthday cruise thingy, boat cruise thingy. And then I have another birthday party on Sunday. It's just like a lot going on. So I need to get everything done before Friday. And today's already Tuesday, so I need to get home and spend probably like 3 hours doing homework, and I'm exhausted. So tomorrow's our field trip. I'm probably gonna vlog later this week, and then one more vlog next week when we make slime in our end of the day, and that's really it. So if you enjoy these videos, give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to click subscribe on your way out. Go follow me on Instagram at Early Adventures, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.